Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this bat poof or loofah. We actually have a kind of yarn only used for the loofah, and that's one of it. It's like that, it's acrylic. There's a big society in Turkey who crochet colorful loofahs, and actually it's the first time I use this yarn. I just want to see how it looks. It's not too heavy, and I think it will be easy to make fun with this. But you know, there's some kind of argument about how to about the yarn you use for the things who directly touch your skins. I will use cotton yarn for now, and I think we must use cotton, I think, like that too. But I'm not sure to your country, but in Turkey, every good yarn we use as some person of acrylic, because they make it cheaper and don't want to make heavier yarns, so they use acrylic, and we use them for everything we made. So if you are using acrylic yarn for making a scarf or a jumper or something like socks, you can use acrylic for this one too. And you know, all the cotton yarns, 100%, even 100% cotton yarns are dyed. It's colored, so it's not organic. It's good, but not that good, and it will be heavy. It won't get dry easily. There will be some bacteria problem. You can make it dry by using drying machine or something like that. If you use it like that, it will be healthier. And I speak too much. I think I will use 5mm crochet hook. Please use a bigger crochet hook, and we can start. I will start with a magic ring. Just wrap the yarn around your fingers like that. Insert your hook here, take the yarn and twist it like that, and grab the same yarn again and make a chain. Okay, yarn over, insert my hook into that magic ring, wrap the yarn over and make a half double crochet. Just pull it through from all the loops at once. I'll make it one more time. I will make 24 half double crochet into that magic ring. I made my 24 half double, and into that first chain insert my hook and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, turn my work, and starting from this first stitch I will make 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. For making a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, take the yarn, yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through from second 2 loops. Okay, I just made a double crochet into next stitch and I will make 2 more, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch I will make 3 double crochet, 2 and 3 and 3 again into the next stitch. I'll just keep making 3 double crochet into all the stitches. That's the end of the row. Now I will not join this 2 sides with a slip stitch. Chain 3 and turn your back. Into the first stitch I will make 3 double crochet again. Next one, make 3 double crochet. And make 3 more. You can keep making like that. For the other row, I will chain 3 and turn. When I finish here, chain 3 and turn and make the same thing. Make 3 double crochet for all the rows. For this one, I made with this half double crochet row 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows, but I didn't finish the row 5. I leave it. I made half, more than half of it, because it will be so big if I complete this row. I think 4 rows will be enough for the cotton yarn, because that's yarn, because it's thicker than that. I'll keep making like that and see you again. I'm at row 4 and I put 3 double crochet for every single stitch, okay? And I didn't complete it yet. I didn't make this part, but if I make 3 double crochets for this part too, it will be so big for me, and it will be heavy because I use more than 100 grams of yarn by now, so I don't want to complete it. I will close it here like that. I will take a yarn, insert my hook into the next stitch, take the yarn, yarn over and pull it through from all the stitches. Insert my hook into the next stitch and make 1 more half double crochet. In the next stitch I will make a single crochet, and in the next stitch I will make a slip stitch. Insert my hook here, take the yarn and pull it through from the loop on the hook. Okay, we can make 1 more slip stitch and then cut the yarn. If you want, you can keep making and complete this row too. It's up to you. I will cut the yarn. I want to show you how to hide this tail. I'll insert my needle like that, and now I'll insert it from here to opposite side, but not into that same space, okay? And you can cut the yarn. And I made this I-cord, and if you didn't see the video about this, how to make this, you can look here now. Okay, if you want, you can just insert it from here and just tie it. Okay, and turn it like that. You can use it like that. I will take this two sides together and sew it here like that. And that's it. I hope you like them. And as it's easy to make. I hope you like this tutorial. And if you like, please don't forget to push the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will wait for your comments. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.